the roots of a tree, the connection. For a human, when we are connected with the earth, the bare feet permitting us to connect with the earth. This is the role of our feet, is to be connected directly with the earth. These are the rivers of human, our rivers. And we have here the trees, just like the trees is taking the oxygen for the creature. Our hair as well are taking every single nourishment from the sun, just like the trees. That's how we are created. We are creatures. The nature, we are part of nature. Every creation is part of creation. Every creation is part of nature. The barefoot to connect with the earth, the hair to connect with the sun, the flow of the energy, the inner river where the food, everything, the balance of life, the balance, the harmony in humanity.